Welcome. In front of me is a INFINIX Hot 50 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM injector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip, string on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone, right here. So let's grab our little tool, and you have an insert area right here on the corner. Push the pin in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray you actually have also space for an SD card. I'm gonna bring one up. So we have two sides. We have the top side, which contains allows you to place two different SIM cards. I'm gonna slap in one. There we go. And it looks like the tray actually comes with a retention bracket, so if you flip it over, it should not be falling out. And then at the bottom, we have our SD tray. So let's grab our card. And I'm trying to see which way, there we go. So the easiest way to put it in is to kind of go like this, as there's another retention bracket right here for it. So SD card shouldn't be falling out as well. Anyway, once you have both of the cards, or all three cards on the tray, you can pop it back into your phone. And you can see that the cards start working automatically. So it's prompting me to confirm my SIM card PIN. Once I do so, it will unlock the SIM card, connect to network, and I also just got a notification about the Samsung SD card being inserted as well. So both of the cards are working just fine. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.